Welcome back to the Learning Studio. This is the Biological Sciences series, and in today's lecture, we'll dive into one of the most fascinating aspects of life: reproductive strategies in animals. If you missed our last episode on animal behavior and communication, the full playlist is linked below in the description. Here's a thought: why do some animals lay hundreds of eggs, while others invest years in raising just one offspring? The answer lies in the diverse reproductive strategies shaped by evolution. Asexual versus sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction, common in invertebrates like hydras, corals, and starfish. Offspring are genetic clones, quick, efficient, but lacking variation. Sexual reproduction, found in most animals producing genetic diversity, requires more energy and often complex mating behaviors, but increases adaptability. Modes of fertilization. External fertilization, seen in many fish and amphibians where eggs and sperm are released into the environment. Advantage, produces many offspring. Disadvantage, low survival rates. Internal fertilization, common in reptiles, birds, and mammals. Advantage, protects embryos inside the parent. Disadvantage, fewer offspring but higher survival. Reproductive investments and strategies. Animals face a trade-off: produce many offspring with little care or few offspring with high care. Our strategists: high reproduction rate, little parental care. Example: frogs, insects, fish. K strategists: fewer offspring, extensive parental care. Example: elephants, humans, whales. Mating systems in animals. Monogamy: one male and one female form a pair bond. Example: many birds like swans. Polygyny: one male mates with multiple females. Example: lions, deer. Polyandry: one female mates with multiple males. Example: some shorebirds like jacanas. Promiscuity: multiple mating with no long-term bonds. Example: many primates. These systems evolve based on survival pressures and parental investment. Case studies and examples: sea turtles lay hundreds of eggs on beaches. Few survive, but the species persists. Penguins lay just one or two eggs, with both parents sharing long months of incubation and chick care. Seahorses: unique case where males carry fertilized eggs in a pouch. Marsupials versus placentals. Kangaroos give birth to tiny, underdeveloped young that continue developing in a pouch, while mammals like humans invest in long pregnancies. Why this matters in zoology and animal biology. Reproductive strategies reveal how species balance survival, adaptation, and energy costs. They are key to understanding ecology, population biology, and conservation. Past, present, and future relevance. Past, Charles Darwin emphasized reproductive success as the true measure of evolution. Present, conservationists study reproductive patterns to save endangered species like pandas. Future, advances in reproductive technologies like cloning, IVF, and gene editing may reshape the future of animal and even human reproduction. So that's our journey through reproductive strategies in animals, from laying thousands of eggs to nurturing a single child for years. In our next lecture, we'll continue exploring animal life and focus on comparative anatomy and physiology, understanding how different body systems evolved across species. Welcome again to the Learning Studio. Don't forget to check the playlist link below and subscribe so you won't miss the next lecture. Because when it comes to reproduction, nature shows us there's no single path to survival, just endless strategies shaped by evolution.